Hi folks, I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome to my channel. Today I was going to do a net worth breakdown and my investing return overall, look through for the month of June. But instead, I'm going to split those into two separate videos because I feel like I'm kind of neglecting an overall better view of my investing returns, and my net worth is just kind of slightly different. They impact each other as all finances do, but I'm just going to split it up and see how it goes. So today we are going to be taking a look at my investing returns from my retirement accounts and my individual stock portfolio for the month of June of 2024. So without further ado, let's jump into my little snazzy Excel sheet that I made up for this. Alright, so taking a quick look, we'll start with my thrift savings plan. This is my government retirement account that I put money into while I served in the military back in 2011. I got out in 2017 and I had invested a little bit of money into that. It was only after I got out that the government started matching what you were putting into that to a certain point. But alas, I missed that point. But for the month of June, for my thrift savings plan, we saw an increase of $134.49, about 0.9% increase overall for that. So my balance for that is going to be $15,898.21, bringing my total gain for this year to $915, or about 6% overall. My second retirement account, I started this in 2018, and this is a 403b retirement account. It's almost the exact same thing as a 401k, except for the company that I worked for was a not-for-profit hospital, and it fell under the 403b guidelines versus the 401k. So it's almost essentially the same thing. And I haven't merged it into one account just because I kind of like seeing them all work together like this and kind of comparing and contrasting what they're earning. But for the month of June, we saw an increase of $498.08, about 1.4% increase there, bringing my total value in that retirement account to $34,929.51. For the year, we are up just shy of $2,900 and a gain of about 8.9% overall, with $12 in fees for that. So not too shabby there. I can no longer invest in this account, and so essentially as soon as I stopped working there, which was 2021, excuse me, I can no longer invest money into this retirement account, but I did, when I started this, before I quit my job, I got promoted and I started making a lot of money. And so my last year working there, I essentially was throwing so much money into my retirement account, trying to max it out for the year because I knew that I was going to be leaving the job and I wanted to get as much money as I could into the retirement account before I left. But overall, we're doing pretty good there. And then lastly, as far as my investment account, we have my self-directed stock portfolio, and this is through Ally. We saw a gain in June of $657.91, and that is market value, about 1.8% increase in overall value, bringing the total to $36,625.59. For the year, that brings us a positive market value gain of just over $3,500, or about 10.38%. And I will do my continuing stock dividend breakdown in a video where I break down all the individual dividends that I earned, as well as just the overall rebalancing and reinvesting and goals for that specific portfolio, because I manage it myself and it is not run by like a target date or anybody else. So it is all just me making it happen. But let's jump into a total overview of what this looks like, because for me, I'm a very visual person, and so we have three separate retirement accounts. We have thrift savings plan, 403b, and my stock portfolio. In total this month, we saw, in total for this year, because I did this wrong, in total for this year, not monthly, for the total year, I'll have to work on it. It's a brand new spreadsheet, so bear with me. So for this year, we have seen a gain between all three of them of $7,346.87 and an average return of 8.4% between the three. Each one of them has different earning percentages and fee rates. My stock portfolio, the only fees I'm going to accrue is when I'm selling, and that is 3 cents per sale. So really not that expensive at all, and there's a little bit of fees in my thrift savings plan, but those don't come out every single month. So overall, this month was pretty good. I mean, 134, about 135, 500. I'm not good at math, but we'll just go 7, 8 plus 5 is $1,200. So we made about $1,200 this month. I will work on this. I'm going to change the breakdown a little bit again because I don't like that. I want to see the monthly and the total gain for the year. And then I also want to do a bigger overview of how they've all increased over the years that I've been investing in them. But we will get to that because this is going to grow into something more than just a tiny little thing maybe. But that's going to wrap up this video where I break down my investing returns in my retirement accounts and my long-term returns in that. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe something that you would like to see different in this, or something else that might assist me in better providing this information to you, please let me know. You can email me, send me a comment, whatever it is on that. But this will wrap up this video. And next video, I will break down my net worth and how these increases in these values in these retirement accounts increases my net worth in a positive way. And then, of course, I will then do my dividend breakdown for the month of June with all the individual dividends that I earned and how I reinvested money into my self-directed stock portfolio. So until next time, bye folks.